In this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problem that the Signal app private messenger is not working. So what you want to do? There are actually 3 solutions to this. And I'm going to show you all 3 of them. So the first solution is go to the Play Store or the App Store and actually find the app. So type it in Signal, there you go. And what you want to do, you want to update the app. As you can see, I still have to update it. So let's hit that first, hit update. And now it's going to update the app. And this can fix the problem, but if it doesn't fix your problem, there's a second solution. So you have to go to your phone settings. Over here, go to Apps. Again, Apps. Find Signal app. There you go, and now you want to force stop it. Go to Storage. And clear data. Next, go Permissions. You want to allow every single one of those. So basically allow all of them so Signal can use it and optimize for your phone. So this can solve a big problem. So if this still didn't work, you have to basically delete the app completely. And then install it again, log in again with your phone number. And that will do the trick.